creativity. And sometimes we just need technology. Choosing between paper and computer is a matter of context. Today, we can have the best of both worlds. The Pup is the first ever connected pocket scanner. It is mobile, tiny, lightweight, wireless, with a long-lasting battery. The Pup is very simple to use thanks to its unique button. It is smart. It automatically takes care of every step, from your sheet of paper to its destination on the internet. The Pup allows you to stay comfortable where you are without moving around. You don't need to worry about paper dimensions anymore. Your documents are automatically and safely routed where you need them. The Pup is so simple to use. Choose your scenario. Fit the laser to the pages and press the button. That's it. Your document has just been transferred according to your choice. Some artworks matter more than others. They deserve to be saved and shared instantly with your loved ones. The Pup is always ready to go. It is incredibly fast and easy to use. The Pup brings you closer to the ones you love. The Pup can scan everything. It even works with books. It is smart and automatically fixes any reflection or page curve issues. The Pup comes with its own light and does not rely on the ambient lighting. You always get a sharp image. The Pup is your nomad companion. It follows you everywhere. It takes care of everything and lets you focus on what really matters to you. The Pup will bring you new creative scenarios every day, so you can stay up to date with your favorite networks. Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram. They can all be reached in one click. It will even help you import your documents into Word and Excel.
What if your dog started pooping gold? Gold coins. Or even liquid gold. What if there were a magic solution that could collect all your dog's poop without any direct hand contact? Because in reality, your dog doesn't poop gold. Introducing Kickapoo, a dog parent's dream. Kickapoo is made up of two parts: a rounded clip of soft silicone cushions that secures comfortably around your dog's tail, and a durable disposable collection bag that hangs beneath. Place Kickapoo on your dog's tail before you go out for a walk. And when he is ready to poop, all the droppings fall directly into the collection bag. When your dog is finished pooping, you just unclip the bag and throw it away, with no mess and no leakage. In the real world, dog poop is not gold. We love our dogs, but don't love cleaning up after them.
I grew up having dogs. I've always looked for a better and easier way to pick up after them, but the products in the market are just not good enough. For the past 2 years, my team and I have worked hard testing and redesigning and testing again to finally come up with the answer.
Every step of the process has been about making Kickapoo something that real dog owners can actually use. We know that most dog owners want something they can intuitively use with only one hand, so we built that into Kickapoo too. And it's even small enough to fit in your pocket.
Chemicals and factories all demand it. Yet most of the energy we use is wasted. Over 30 trillion watt-hours of heat per year are wasted by power plants alone, enough to power the entire world. And our environment is part of the collateral damage. Over 15 billion batteries are thrown away in landfills every year. At Matrix, we wanted to create technology that makes the way we use energy more efficient and more intimate. We wanted to start with a problem everyone has experienced firsthand: feeling frustrated when your electronic device runs out of power when you need it the most. There hasn't been any innovation to solve this problem, and that got us excited to solve it using our thermoelectric technology. After 5 years and several prototypes, we're introducing our first product, the Matrix PowerWatch. It's a smartwatch that's powered by you. It works by converting your own body heat to electric power. And the best part is, you never have to charge it. The watch comes alive because it's powered by you. The human body at rest emits 100 watts as heat, similar to that of an incandescent light bulb. When exercising, that number jumps to 1 kilowatt. Similar to is that as you exercise and your skin gets warmer, the Power Watch generates more power. It's got a unique power meter that shows how much electricity your body has generated right on the face of the watch.
We can do some exciting things with this technology, like accurately measure the amount of calories you burn. Our thermoelectric technology measures the amount of heat you've generated from the calories you've consumed. It's also packed with all the features you'd expect in a smartwatch. It has sensors to track both activity and sleep quality. We're designing changeable watch faces to suit your mood. We've also built micro applications so you can do more than just tell the time. And of course, it syncs with your phone and your account in the cloud. Are you into running, mountaineering, trailblazing? It works even better when you're out and about, especially in cold weather. Since you never have to charge it or replace the batteries, it's very well sealed and water resistant to 50 meters. And if you ever take it off, it'll go to sleep and store all your data. When you put it back on, it comes back to life.
2016 James Dyson Award. I was inspired to design Eco Helmet when I was traveling abroad, and I wanted to use bike share bikes, and I was quite uncomfortable riding in the road. And I always wear a helmet. I'm a very habitual helmet wearer, and just not having an inexpensive option available to me, I was like, this is a big gap. I can't be the only one. Eco Helmet is a proprietary honeycomb pattern that I came up with. These cells are radial, like this, rather than parallel, as in regular honeycomb. So when it's open, it absorbs a blow from the front, back, the side, any direction. The cells are always perpendicular to your head. It spreads the impact around rather than concentrating it in one place, which is how concussions happen. Whether it's paper or plastic, it doesn't matter, but it has to be recyclable. You have to be able to pitch it in the bin and have it be either made into other eco helmets or something else. I'd been thinking about this for a while, but when I was studying at RTA Imperial a couple of years ago, I really started to push it forward, and they happened to have a crash rig in Imperial. Basically, I had a hunch that it would work. I had no idea if it would. I was like, oh, this is kind of cool. I can jump up and down on it, and it's fine, but I hadn't done any tests, so I just brought them an armload of honeycomb samples in different thicknesses and cell sizes and materials, and dropped stuff on them all day. And I was able to get enough data from that to say, okay, this is a sound idea. I can take it.
Thank you.
Wow. I didn't think they would be so sensitive to like volume.
Kind of natural the way you move.
Pretty light, you don't really notice them when you play.
Feels very natural, except there's nothing here, but
In 3 words,
Fun.
but it's really fun.
it's great.
Neat.
Creative,
They're so small.
mobile.
Very easy to bring along.
I mean, I could think of a lot of ways to use them.
To be able to practice at home.
When you get that feeling, you just want to play.
I mean, recording in like GarageBand or Logic or anything.
This is much easier than to
When you get that feeling, you just want
press
to
a
play.
keyboard or anything.
And like even if you're traveling, you can have them play, like have your headphones on and play something.